Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. So today's video is another collaboration. I have teamed up with two other beauty YouTubers, one of which that I have done collaborations before in the past. Let's start with her. Her name is Vanessa Lopez. Love her channel, love her content. She is the sweetest, funnest person ever. Check out her video when you are done watching mine. I will link her channel down below. The other gal I am doing this a collaboration with is Ajattainablebeauty. She is amazing, awesome. Her videos are so extremely edited. You can tell that she puts a ton of time into her videos. I will also link her channel down below. The challenge that all three of us are doing is the no mirror makeup challenge. I have never done anything like this before. Obviously, I have seen other beauty YouTubers and other YouTubers in general taking this challenge. So I am completely barefaced. The only thing I have put on before turning this camera on is my primer. So the primer that I used is the In Transit Camera Close-Up from This Works. Side note, not sponsored. If you guys have dry skin, you're in a pinch, you want to get your moisturizer and primer and all that done in one, you need to check out this product. It is amazing. It smells amazing. It smells like rose. I guess you have to like the smell of like rose or like rose toner. That's what this smells like, but oh my God, it smells amazing and it works like a charm. So check this out. So I have my viewfinder completely flipped down. I can't see anything. I have no mirrors in front of me, nothing. If I use a compact that has a mirror in it, I will just dip my brush in it and set it down. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. For foundation, I'm going to be using the Burt's Bees Goodness Glows. While I'm doing this, I'm going to talk about this makeup for a bit. This was actually not very well loved by a lot of YouTubers or people who reviewed it. I'm going to be completely honest, I really love this. I actually tested this makeup out today. I bought it way back when it first launched and I used it once and I was like, I wasn't totally sure about it, but today I'm just like, this makeup is amazing. The first thing is about it though, you can't really layer a lot of cream product on top of it. That's what sucks, because if you do, it tends to move the foundation around a bit, which sucks. So that means really no concealer on top of it. I'm choosing to omit concealer, not to make this challenge any easier or anything. Sometimes I just feel like I don't really need concealing and I don't feel like having anything heavy under the eyes. Essentially, I am recreating the makeup look that I had earlier today, which was just using more natural makeup products, doing a very glowy look. And I am hoping to God that I am not missing a spot right now and that I am blending everything out. This is so weird. I can't get over it. I'm like super cautious of like getting every spot of my face. This is strange. All right, I think that I am sufficiently blended. I'm gonna go ahead and set this with the Burt's Bees Mattifying Powder Foundation. Now, a lot of people also said they didn't really like this either. I actually love it as well. I find that it sets my foundation beautifully. I just tap it in with a brush and it really prevents my makeup from settling into my lines, and it's not too mattifying at all. Usually I don't like mattifying products, but there's something about this powder that I really enjoy. If you're curious, my foundation is in the shade Linen Beige, and my powder, what shade is this? Bamboo. Yes, Bamboo, okay. So let's go ahead and move on to a bronzer contour. I go in with the Burt's Bees what am I talking about, you guys? Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. You guys know, if you've watched any of my other videos or tutorials, I like using this product for contour and bronzing. I think it's the perfect shade and I think it contours beautifully. I am obsessed with this. I think everyone is. And I think it's great too for when you're in a punch and you want to bronze in a punch. The hell, in a pinch, and you're trying to bronze and contour at the same time. And I feel like no matter what I do, my foundation for some reason just always somewhat oxidizes or just gets slightly darker. So I try to bronze my neck. All right, let's go ahead. I like to layer on top of this product typically. Okay, so I love two different types of bronzers. I love the Too Faced Chocolate Gold Soleil bronzer, and I also love this Honest Beauty Luminizing Powder. I like to layer either one of those on top of that butter bronzer just to give that little bit of extra bronze and extra glow. And that's what I'm doing here. You guys should comment on this video as you're watching it, because I can't see what I'm doing. I can't see anything. Obviously, this is a no mirror makeup challenge, but it feels so awkward. I feel like my camera's not even on. I feel like I'm talking to no one, not even you guys. All right, that is done. I'm gonna go ahead and move on to doing some highlighting. I'm gonna go in with the shade On the Loose. This is a new ColourPop Innuendo palette. If you guys haven't had a chance to pick this up, you need to do it. It is amazing. This is like one of my favorite highlighting palettes right now. I love all the shades, but I'm super obsessed with this On the Loose shade. It's my favorite. I am most nervous for doing my brows and my eye makeup, but my eye makeup, I'm kind of cheating. It's not that hard, but like I said, I'm just trying to recreate the look that I had today. So now that we have highlighted to the gods, I'm gonna go ahead and put on some blush using the Wet n Wild Color Icon blush. Going in with my Delium tools. You guys know I love these brushes. I love this brush because if you don't like a heavy blush, this is perfect for that. So you guys, in April, my fiance is actually a groomsman in his best friend's wedding. So I'm gonna let you guys in on a little bit of a secret. The problem with this is I'm not a huge fan of the bride. We actually used to be really, really good friends, and obviously now it is super, super awkward because we just had kind of a little bit of a falling out. We just kind of drifted apart, and it's super weird because we didn't know what kind of wedding they were gonna have, or that if my, fiance Jeremy was even gonna be asked to be in the wedding at all. Like, we had no clue. And so, mind you, their wedding is in April, and Jeremy was just asked like last weekend to be, or last week sometime, in the wedding, and it was just like, okay, so we're trying to order the suit and all that stuff. And honestly, I was not planning on going, but now I kind of have to, so that's gonna be awkward. And I have no idea how my nose contour turned out. Oh my god, please God, hopefully it was good. All right, so let's move on to the eyes. I'm gonna dip into this palette and just contour my eyes a bit. This is the Tarte Clay Play Face Shape Palette Volume 1. First, I'm gonna dip into the shade Solstice right here. This is kind of like an all over color to just create a base for my shadow. So yeah, so I was not planning on going to this wedding, and now I have to. Yeah. That's gonna be awkward. I'm gonna tell you guys a whole story about that. That seems petty right now because I just said to like my boyfriend, or my fiance's best friend. You would think, well, stop being so petty. Why the hell wouldn't you go to the wedding? There's more to it than that, you guys. Maybe if you want a story time on that, this is a shit show. Let me know. I will tell you guys the entire story. Totally messed up. All right, so I'm carving out the eyes with the shade Journey in the same palette, putting the mirror down so I cannot see a damn thing. Oh, also I'll tell you guys, my hair, as you can see, is still a disaster. My grays are showing, of course, because I haven't gotten it dyed. And so I will say that I don't know what it is, I have very little motivation right now. I don't know what it is. I'm going through something, I guess. I don't know what I'm going through. Pause. I'm gonna dip back, or actually I'm gonna dip into the shade Dunes, and I'm gonna run that along the lower lash line. I don't know what it is. it's just so awkward. I don't know what it is. Like, I want to dye my hair. I want to get it cut, but it's like, okay, go do it. Why am I not doing this? I don't understand. It's been weeks. You guys know I've asked about this. Where did I ask about this? God, like weeks ago? Was that my 1,000 subscriber video? Something like that. But I decided on what I want to do with it. I'm not going to tell you guys because that's a surprise. So I'm going to go into this shade here, On the Loose again, from the ColourPop palette. And I'm just going to swipe that all over my lid. I don't know why I didn't film, well, actually I do know why. I'm not using a mirror. Why would I ever want to film earlier in the day and walk around like that? Because this could look like shit and I have no idea. But yeah, anyways, like I was saying, I'm the worst storyteller and I always jump around. If you guys want to hear the story of the falling out and the shit show, we're talking crazy roommate was involved, other family members were involved. It's just a total shit show. So if you guys want to hear that story about the falling out and why all this shit happened, it's pure entertainment, let me know. Alright, I'm trying to put just a little bit of this under my brow bone here. Alright, there we go. Now let's go ahead and move on to brows and mascara. Holy shit, I am nervous. The hell is my brow brush? For brows, I'm gonna dip back into this Tarte palette. I love this palette. This palette is seriously all in one. I'm sad that they don't have it anymore. Oh my god, my brows. This is gonna be, oh my god. Ah! This is the part that I'm most nervous about, seriously. Because I have no idea where I'm dragging this powder right now. Oh my god, I can tell already this is fucked. I'm just gonna leave it at that. It's probably not enough to fill in my brows. I know it's not because it usually takes me way longer, but there's really no point because I can't tell what I'm doing. And I'm using a powder product, which could potentially be very dangerous. If this turns out precise, I'm gonna shit myself. But I can feel that it's not. But if it comes out not looking too bad, that's gonna be a win. All right, mascara. This could be dangerous as well. Trying to curl my lashes without looking. Oh, already pinching my skin. For lashes, I'm gonna be using two different things. On my top lash, we're using Roller Lash. On the bottom lash, we are using the Urban Decay Perversion, which is my favorite on the lower lash line. Oh, I can tell I did not even grab my lashes. There we go. Oh, I already poked myself. That hurt. I make the weirdest face when I'm putting on my mascara. Please don't make fun of me. Trying to be cute when you put on mascara is a fail. You just can't be. Oh, that's right. So I was gonna use my doing shit that I would. Oh my god, that's right. I was gonna line my lower lash line with this Pixie Endless Silky Eye Pen in the shade Icy Citrine. I love this. I don't even know if I got that in my eye right. I don't even know. All right, lower lash line. Let's go ahead and set the brows with some of the Pixie Eyebrow Gel, another newer item that I got on clearance at Target that I am obsessed with as well. This keeps my brows. It actually makes whatever powder or product I put on my brows last longer, and it keeps them in place. I love it. And that felt totally wrong. I feel like I just got that all over my forehead. Yikes. What's next? Okay, lip liner. You guys, if you're looking for a your lip color but better lip liner, this Essence, it's just called Essence Lip Liner. This is in the shade 11 in the nude. Oh my god, I have been overlining my lips with this. And it works like a charm. This is so awkward. I have to fill in my lip with this. There we go. And then lipstick. I have all my ColourPop lipsticks back here. Which one am I gonna do? Let's do Uno Mas. Look weird when I put lipstick on too, so don't judge me. Oh my god, I feel like that's all over my face. I feel like that's all over my face. All right, you guys, last step would be setting spray. We're using the Too Faced Hangover RX. And there you have it, a full face of makeup without using a mirror. And let's go ahead and see what the reaction is. Okay, you guys, my brows. This brow's okay. This brow, I went way outside the lines. Holy shit. They're still a mess. I even drug it out here a bit, but in all honesty, I really think that this could have turned out a lot worse. My mascara actually looks pretty damn good. The eye makeup isn't bad. I could have been a little bit more daring with it, And the lips, yep, we got a little bit here, didn't line right there. But overall, not too bad. The brows are probably the biggest tragedy here, and I did not even make it in my waterline with the eyeliner. So give this video a huge thumbs up if you liked it. Leave me a comment down below if I looked weird. Let me know what moment of doing all this that you thought was I just looked totally out of whack. If I looked crazy blending this in, let me know. Again, before you log off your phone, computer, laptop, iPad, whatever, be sure to check out the two other gals' videos as well. See if theirs was a train wreck or not, and be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. I love you guys so much. I hope you had a wonderful week, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye-bye.